To graph a parabola, rewrite the equation so that the variable that is not squared is solved for and that all squared variables are part of perfect squares. So what that means is if I have just an x squared, that's a perfect square all on its own. But if I have 2x squared plus, not even 4x, so let's make that grosser, plus 3x, for example, that's not a perfect square. I'd have to make that a perfect square by using those perfect square trinomials, which is going to be a pain in the butt. And that'll be okay, but we can do it. That's what we were doing the day before, or at least a couple days ago. Alright, so how exactly am I going to do this? Well, first thing I'm going to do is get the variable that's squared to one side. Next, we're just going to complete the square. Third, we're going to solve for the variable that is not squared. And finally, we just got to remember that division is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Alright, so that's how we're going to find the vertex pretty nicely. We're going to find C by setting the number in front of the parentheses. Equal to 1 over 4c, because remember, a is going to be 1 over 4c. And then other than that, we just got to decide which direction the parabola opens. So if you've got a y equals, it's like one that you've seen forever, which is just straight up and down, or straight, I shouldn't say up and down. It's up or down. And then if it's x equals, that's a weird one. It's not going to look like a function. It's either going to open left or it's going to open right. Alright, and then we're just going to move C units from the vertex in the directions of the opening, and then mark the focus. And we're also going to take that C, and we're going to move C units from the vertex in opposite directions of the opening, and then we're just going to draw the directrix. The directrix should not go through the focus. Alright, should not go through the parabola. Find the distance across the parabola at the focus, which should just be 4c, and then find half of that distance. And then move that amount from the focus in both directions that are parallel to the directrix, and then draw your U through these 3 points. Ta-da!